All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Focus. It is the SE model. It's beautiful black with black cloth interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, only 15,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread. Over 730 seconds is a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. You jump into this vehicle. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for your airbag light on, and there's your mileage of 15,676. And that pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Here is your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. The whole tears or reps looks good. Rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. And I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread. It's under 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front passenger rim. And your tire thread. It's just under 730 seconds. Lights. A working car is on. Things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Ford Focus SE model with 15,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.